hate cycling when it's cold. That seat doesn't get any friendlier. But I guess I could use the exercise. You'll be so popular when you show up on the back of Mommy's bike. And maybe some days I can borrow a car and drive you. You know what a safe, non-crazy driver I am.
I know about all those spendy chocolate triples you stashed in the cupboard for when you're crampy.
Say, those were gone when I looked for them this afternoon.
Every hour you don't give me my allowance, I'll feed one to Whitey.
So it really was you.
Oh, you bet it was, and I've hidden them in a place you'll never find them.
Let me guess, your toy box? Not that it matters. I've been meaning to lose weight, and not eating chocolate will certainly help that. Fiction?
What's wrong with Shin?
Let's just say the strike's over.
A very wrong engagement.
There she goes. I, the most beautiful girl in the world. Oh, I, if only you knew how I felt about you. I'd do anything for you. If anyone ever hurt you, I'd make them pay. Oh, God, the hair thing. She did the hair thing.
No, check out the human foot box.
I'm just wondering if you're not doing anything Sunday, maybe we can hang out?
Sorry, I think I'm gonna be busy picking my nose or something.
Oh, well, okay. I mean, if you've already got plans and everything, I totally understand. I guess I did sort of spring the idea on you suddenly. Oh, it's gotta be insane.
Hey.
You and your nose
Oh,
are
well, I can
Sunday.
find
Go
the
ahead,